Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to sync your settings in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you went to your sync settings in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. After click on Settings and click on Accounts. And here option sync your settings. So guys, if you went to sync settings, if you went to on or enable, so select toggle on position. And here theme settings, password setting, language, profiles, other Windows settings. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to sync your sync settings in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.